Hello my friends, welcome in new cat compilation videos. The first cat carry her son and bring it to the owner. The other videos about cat's family. Mom fight with dad and the kittens see them. The small son was speak to her father. Another cute green eyes cat. He is very cute and beautiful. Again, the mother go out and the dad stay with her kids. He take care of them and she think where his wife go. She miss her and he wants her to take care of her sons. If you like our cats, don't forget to subscribe and make like to our videos. Thanks for watching.